My assistant here, Captain John Barrett, overseeing proceedings here. As you see, he is safely installed with the beer. Safety supervisor. How's that, director?
Yeah, I can see it.
Cat there, cat there. Aye. Down.
Is that a good smoke, Harris? No smoke.
Captain? Yeah, come on. And you go to the line. Go. Are you ready? Have a laugh.
That's the viewing booth. Take distance. Yeah, distance.
Aye. You know what? How about just big ones, eh? Big one. Aim it over this way now. That way. Yeah, let's get it there. Get it straight through. Back there, back there. Straight through it. It will stop. Explode. Oh, that's perfect. Don't only show before it can get it. Just do it out there.
That's good. That's going to hit the tree. No, that'll be good.
It's probably up. You won't.
Now that was a good bit of footage. That was good.
Oh, hang on a minute, Fredo. Hang on. Right, you go down. Yeah, that there. Want another big one then? Yeah, go for the big one. Oh, the cats are in there. Let's get that at a nice angle.
That's a very good angle.
That's a nice angle there. Probably over there. You can't think
That's perfect there, because I can... No, don't change the angle, because I can film it going up there. It's perfect.
You heard me say that?
No, that is a bit low, I think.
No, that's fine.
It's not. That's too low. That's going to hit the tree. It's going to come back in the garden. That's stupid, Ben. Put it up a little bit. No. That's perfect there.
Yeah, but your shed off, and I'm not going to do it.
That was perfect. Did you see that? What are you doing now? What's happening now?
Just getting the fireworks. Get the shovel out. Really need to fire it from under your window. You slip it. Yeah, that's fine. Here we go, next one, Stuart.
Yes. I closed the window just in time, mate. I could have got fucking killed. That was classic.
That was like a health and safety video.
You should have seen this whole fucking place was lit up. Oh, it's all on here.
This evening's display.
Let's hold one.
Is that the last one?
No, there's more I'm not going to do.
Because that pissed you off.
I think we've got all.
Do you want to see this?
Oh.